Well, okay. Wow. Good night. They told you to do a burnout. I don't know. What are you thinking? Yeah. All right. Well then, here we go.
Just made the GRB drive shaft and it lasted a burnout and a half.
Here's the GRB drive shaft, and as you can see, it's way thicker in this section. So we just thought that was the weak link. The welds never broke. That's good. It wasn't the welds. Wasn't the issue there. It's simply the drive shaft was too weak. We'll be back on the road here soon.
Finally got the custom drive shaft in. But Action Machine, there's their contact information right there. They originally were going to go with a full carbon fiber drive shaft. This would be a lot cheaper. This one right here was like, I think it was like $700 or something like that for just this back end. And what we did was the GRB STI front end is the same in the Legacy. This will bolt up perfectly fine. Obviously the back end is going to be longer because the 350Z diff is shorter, so I just gave them the measurements from this flange to the back flange, and they couldn't ship it to Japan. We did have to ship it to some family back in the States, and then they shipped it out here to us, but no big deal, it got here, so get it installed, and that should be the last of the weak points, even though the drive shaft that I made lasted Gymkhana and drift days and whatnot, but well, one of the two. But yeah, we'll get this thing in and hopefully we won't have any issues with clearance, because that's a big boy right there. Eee!